Hi everyone, it's Logan Kid here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do my blocks. At first, you might not know what they are, but I do, and I'll show you in this video. So, you have, if you pan along your taskbar here, you'll notice that there's a tab here, which is, let's say turquoise, and it says my blocks. If you click on that, it will be empty. You might think, like I did, oh my gosh, my computer's breaking and I don't know what to do. There's no blocks in there. It might be like malfunctioning, but then it's not, because it's my blocks and they're your blocks. Which means you have to create them and they go in there because you put them there. So to actually create these my blocks, what you'll need to do is it's basically what a my block is it's a program compacted into one little block. You might say, what's the use of this? I could just use my program anyway. But the main use for it is if you are making big programs and you've made your own creation out of Lego and you want to program it and you want to make like a gigantic program for it, you're gonna have like a load of space in that, and you really don't want that. So what you can do is you can just keep pressing add program, and you can just keep making little programs, then making them to my blocks and putting them into one program to do that. And I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So first, you're gonna need any old program. I'm just gonna put a loop and move steering and make it so it's on just forwards. So then, what you're going to do is you're going to highlight just the program. Don't highlight the start block, because that won't make your my block work. So then you're going to go to top left hand corner, go to tools, my block builder, so the third one down, my block builder, click on that. Then you can go to your my block name, and when you're doing your my block name, remember, don't put any spaces in between the words, because it won't work. So let's say go forward. There, go forward. Then you can choose what image you want. So it depends because without your image, you really can't tell your my blocks apart unless you look at the little names. So you're going to choose a name suitable for your my blocks. Like if it's to do with the color sensor, you're going to do that. If it's to do with the ultrasonic sensor, you're going to do that. Variables and like all these different things. So I'm going to be steering because my block is steering. Then you'll see this other thing that says add parameter. That means it adds a data wire here. No, I mean a data wire input where you can plug your data wires in from other blocks. Now, you're really not going to want to do that unless you're doing a program where you have like loads of data wires where you need to like wire everything up, because those are variables and stuff. You're not going to do that unless you're like a bit advanced. Description, I'm not going to do that because I never do description. I personally don't really like it. And then when you press finish, you have your very own my block. Now it's very small. Then your my block tab has your my block in it. So even if you just completely delete this, you can just get your my block out. Then the best thing you can do now is you can get your little program. Then you can get a little program there. Then you can get another loop there and put your my block in it. So then it will just be really good and very useful to you. So if you're doing any big programs, or even if you're doing little programs, it's still really useful because it just helps you get around. Like what you can do, which is really cool, is make your whole entire program into one my block. That would be really good because you can just run your program and it's just one my block. There is one downside to my blocks. If you create a program with a my block in it, then try to make that program with the my block in it into a my block, it will just malfunction and it will make you have to close your software down. I've done it before, like a week ago, and it just didn't work. So if you're going to make your my blocks, don't make a my block in a my block. You'll just delete your program and it will just get you out your software, put you onto your home screen. So that's all for this video. Hope you like this video, subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do switches. So, bye!